Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming hardware: a USB 3 capture card or PCIe capture device, and a short HDMI cable. First, route the Xbox Series S HDMI OUT into the capture card HDMI in. Next, use the capture card's HDMI OUT to feed your TV or monitor so you retain zero latency gameplay. Then plug the capture card into your PC's USB 3 port or PCIe slot and install the manufacturer drivers. Once done, power on the Xbox and PC so that you now configure the capture software. Open OBS Studio or the capture cards app and add a video capture device source assigned to the card. Set resolution and frame rate to 1080p 60 for consistent streaming. Choose 4K pass-through only if both card and Xbox support it. Then enable the card's audio input as your source and turn on monitoring so you can hear latency. Make sure capture format is hardware accelerated if available. Finally, test a short recording to confirm video and audio sync before streaming. Finish by choosing output settings and starting a recording or stream. Set encoder bitrate appropriate for upload, about 6 to 12 Mbps for 1080p, and pick a hardware encoder if your PC supports it. If the capture card shows no signal, power cycle the Xbox, reseat HDMI cables, and switch USB 3 ports. Cheap cables often cause loss. If audio is out of sync, use the software's audio delay in milliseconds to align tracks. One key tip: always test a short clip after changes to verify the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.